welcome to another episode of A Happy Mind TV, the place where happiness and mindset meet. And you will leave here feeling happier and more enriched with something new that you can put into your day. And today we are talking all about nature and the benefits of nature for your mental health. I want to run you through a few top tips of how you can use nature to help with your well-being. Number one, when you are out in nature, you want to try and touch the nature around you. You want to connect to the environment and become more grounded. It's a really good way of using your senses and allowing your mind to become more focused on where you are in that present moment and pull you back into the experience you are having. Number two, you want to make sure that you always look up and down, left and right. So often when we go for walks or we're out jogging or we're in nature of any kind, we just look forward or we look down to where our feet are walking. You want to make sure that you look all around you, take in all of the scenes, all of the heights, all of the trees, all of the colours, and you want to make sure that you are filling your mind with as much abundance and goodness as possible. And the third tip, which is a great way to use your mind and start focusing on mindfulness when you are in nature, is scanning. So when you look at a landscape, you want to focus on all of the different elements in the foreground and in the background and start to pick out the colours, the textures, the sizes, the shapes. And as I'm filming this video, I'm in the most amazing national park in Canada, and behind the screen is abundance of nature, and it's a great way to find yourself back in the moment. And to take that one step further, you can start to listen as well. So what you're looking at, you can start to focus on the sounds that you hear, the birds tweeting, how far away are they in the distance, are they close to you? Ultimately, nature is a really great way to increase your well-being and allow your mindset to be comforted by the natural environment around you and feel supported by that as well. So the next time you do feel anxious, you feel some negativity, you find yourself ruminating or even catastrophizing, take yourself out into nature, even if it is just a walk to the shops, and practice these skills. Enjoy, and I can't wait to see you for another episode of A Happy Mind TV. If this has really resonated with you, make sure you give it a like and you subscribe to A Happy Mind TV and you won't miss another episode. I'm your host, Samantha Hearne, and I will see you in the next episode.